Welcome to our YouTube tutorial. Today we'll guide you on how to find your video analytics on YouTube using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Launch your web browser, head to YouTube Studio, and sign into your account. Step 2. Click on Content. In YouTube Studio, find and click on the Content tab on the left-hand menu. Step 3. Select a video. From the list of uploaded videos, choose the one you want to analyze and click on its title. Step 4. Click Analytics. On the video's information page, click on the Analytics tab at the top. Now, you'll be presented with a comprehensive overview of your video's performance, including views, watch time, and audience demographics. Take your time to explore the different sections and metrics available. That's it. You've successfully learned how to find your video analytics on YouTube using your PC. Remember to regularly check your analytics for valuable insights to improve your content and grow your channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful YouTube tips and tricks. Happy analyzing!